everybody, and welcome back to music class. I'm glad to have you back with me again, and we're going to continue talking about melodies this week. Instead of talking about the steps, skips, repeats, and leaps that make a melody on paper, we are going to talk about how they interact within music and also a little bit about how it makes you feel. So I'm going to introduce you to a new concept within a song, which is called a round or a canon. What this means is that one voice or instrument starts with the melody and plays, but then just a little bit later, they don't wait for the other person to finish, another voice or instrument comes in with the melody and plays it at the same time, but it's delayed from the other one. An example of this would be the song Are You Sleeping? And I'm going to demonstrate that for you right now. So me right here, I'm going to sing. And I'm going to do start it first, and then the other me is going to come in second and start singing the exact same melody, but just after me. So here it goes. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. Alright, so you see how that works? The same melody when I just started first, the other me went second, and then we finished at different times too, but we sang the exact same melody. It's a really interesting concept and creates what's called texture, which are different layers of music that go together. I just did 2 rounds of the melody, but lots of songs will do it 3 or 4 different times that all go in together. So what I want you to do today is to listen to an example of a round or a canon, because it's called Pachelbel's Canon in D, and it's really common. You probably heard it. Lots of people play it at weddings, and it's just a really good song to listen to. My question for you about that today is not actually going to be about it being a round or a canon, but I want to know how it makes you feel. So there are lots of different words that you can use to describe it, and we're going to move on from the bad, sad, mad kind of category and look at some a little more advanced words to talk about how a song might make you feel. So I'm going to pull a whole big list up here of different examples. You don't have to use one of these when you're listening to the song, but I thought this might give you some examples. Some of these I think you'll know. I'll clarify a couple of them. Splendid is a word that means really happy or great or wonderful. Depressed means really, really sad. Let's see some other. Miserable is also kind of sad as well. Eager means you feel like you're excited and want to do something. A lot of these that you do know. Calm, we felt calm before. Angry, amused, blissful means very happy and content. There's just a lot of different words and things for you to choose from here. So if you want to take a minute to look over this list before you listen to Pachelbel's Canon, or if you listen to it first and find a word that you think helps describe how it makes you feel. Usually quieter music will make you feel kind of calm, but that's not always the case. Sometimes it can be quiet and kind of sad or miserable or something like that, and sometimes loud music can make you angry or it could make you cheerful. So I want you to express how you feel about the song, and that is all you need to do for me today. And if you want to check on any missing work that you have this week, that'll get you pushed ahead. I also want to let you know that I'm going to be doing some live Zoom meetings this week. So on Tuesday and on Friday, I will have my Zoom open from 2 to 2:30, and anybody from 4th and 5th grade can jump in to our video, and we'll just talk and listen to some music and just kind of hang out. So if you have not done any music stuff prior to this, that would be a great time for you to jump in, and I can just check off that you have done some music assignments just by being in Zoom. So I hope to see you soon, and I hope you enjoy Pachelbel's Canon. I look forward to hearing your responses on how it made you feel. All right, bye everybody!